Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for John in Pennsylvania on this RCI 99N2. John, you're gonna love it, man. These things have some big, bold audio, tons of power, tons of frequencies. It's 12 band. Talks great on sideband as well. Let's get right to it. So with the RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. Put the amp switch on. I did set you at 5 watts all the way down just in case you decide to run like an 8 pill or something. You'll have full adjustability. 50 all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Hello, 100 watts in the corner. 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 250 watts exactly. There's your on-off switch right there. Turn it off. Hello, 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 hello. So doing a good 50 watts easy if you want to run the low side. I wish more of these high-powered radios would come with this switch on them. I install them on the back of radios for people, but having the big bright red button on there makes it really handy. All right there, John, we're ready to get it to you, bud. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at www.truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.